It's cooking time, guys. If you are a lover of spaghetti, join me to make this quick one with vegetables. I choose to use carrot and zucchini. It will not take you a lot of time. Just grill your oil, add your veg, and then give it time to cook a little bit. Add your prawns and leave to cook like 5 to 8 minutes. The same time of your spaghetti. So I've just done that. I am letting it to cook. So at the same time, I am trying to boil the water for the spaghetti. You have to stir and stir so that it will not burn. Time to stir it and time to wait for the water to be ready. So here is my water already boiling. Just adding in the salt. And after that, I have to add in the spaghetti. Give it 8 minutes. Just 8 minutes. The sauce is ready. Add the spaghetti and mix together. And then serve. Make sure you serve it hot. If today is your first day of coming to my channel, you are highly welcome. But please, if you have watched to this extent, make sure you hit that red button to subscribe to my channel. And if you do that, do not forget to press the notification bell so that whenever I will upload a new video, you will be one of those to watch it first. So guys, let's dish out and then eat. Believe you me, this spaghetti is very, very delicious. You can't imagine how delicious it is. I believe your family you will like it. So, see you guys next time in my next video. And do not forget to put into practice. And definitely you will come back to thank me later. See you guys. As usual, Lady A loves to cook step by step. So if you love my cooking, do not forget to give me like, share, and comment on my program. So guys, arrivederci. Bye bye. I love you guys. Mwah.